Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Adobe Sign and Fill, a quick tutorial. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Alright, so once you've installed Adobe Reader or the Acrobat Reader, this is the home menu. This is where you're dropped. All you need to do is come over to Recent and you'll find your most recent files, or you could head over to Document and find all your documents either on your Adobe Cloud Storage, or you can find your documents from your documents menu on your computer. So all you need to do is just find one. I'm going to go with this, and now just simply click and double click on it and open. But on this short menu, you can make use of the request e-signature, which is basically you sending a document to anyone to electronically sign online, and it's quick. And then you can add a comment or sticky note or highlight so they can be aware of what they're doing. All right, so now go ahead and click on open file to simply open a file from your computer. But we're just going to double click on this here, and it's going to lead us to this part of our document. All right, so once you're on the part of your document where you need to sign, from the All Tools menu, just simply head over to where we have e-sign. So click on e-sign, and most of the time you would find a signature here or not. If you do not find a signature, just click on the plus icon here to simply add a signature. So you could either type in a signature or draw a signature, or an image of your signature can be selected and added here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply draw. So let's just make something easy and then click on apply. Go ahead and allow Adobe Acrobat to process what you just did, and then you can now drag and drop the signature onto the document. So it's a basic drag and drop, and it would be added here. You can now work on the size. You can reduce or increase it. You could enlarge it and stuff like that. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Once you're done, just click on share, and you can either share it as a link, or like I said earlier, you could request e-signatures from other people, and then you can now also share it via email, or you could just copy the link to it. All right, guys, comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.